Like, there hasn't been a single day of me not taking a person to the college or getting back.
IELTS Speaking Task 2. Task 2. Describe something you own which is very important to you. You should say where you got it from, how long have you had it, what you use it for. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 or 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish.
Are you ready? Yes. Start. The most important thing that can I look in the most important thing that I have always wanted, and I have it, is my scooty. I got it in Dehradun. My father bought it for me, and it's the very first thing which is very expensive and is under my name. Like, my father bought it in my name, and me and my friends, we all call my scooty Duggu, and it's very close to my heart. And I've had it for 2 years now. And the sole purpose of a vehicle being me able to go to my college and getting back to my home. My place being 4 kilometers away from my college, so I not only go to my college alone. I take sometimes I take my friends with it. Sometimes I give random people lift to, like, there hasn't been a single day of me not taking a person to the college or getting back. So it has helped me a lot, because the kind of satisfaction that I receive in helping people while going to college or getting back from the place, it's unimaginable. So the kind of uh, thing that I own and is very close to me is my scooty. And it has not only helped me go to my college and return back. I go to a lot of trips with my friends on scooty. I have been to a lot many places which are like 200 kilometers away, and I've covered those places in a single day. Like, I've drove it for more than 250 kilometers in a single day and got back to my place. It has never ever betrayed me in a way that I had to suffer. Never got my tire punctured, never skipped from it. It is still clean, and with no scratches on and under my name. So I think I would say my scooty being the very important thing that I own of my own.